Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today I'm gonna show you how to juice pomegranates with the hand electric mixture. Yes, you heard it right, an electric mixture. This machine is strong enough to burst the outer areoles while leaving the inner seeds intact, effectively reduce the pomace and foam. The juice is much clearer and sweeter. First, I will show you an easy way to remove the seeds from the pomegranates. Let's get started. Wash the outer surface well before starting to minimize the chance of contaminating the seeds inside. This end is the calyx, also known as the crown. Make an incision around the crown. It will be easier to snap it off later. Half inch off the first cut. Lightly score around the crown again. Peel off the top. Snap off the crown. The white membrane, which divides fruit into sections, is now exposed. Locate each membrane that divides each section. Score the skin from top to bottom, but not all the way through to the end. Continue all the way around without cutting the seeds. Following the score lines, gently pull the sections apart. Twist off the white pith. Use the back of a knife, a wooden spoon or spatula. Hold the pomegranate seeds side down. Grab the side of each section with your thumb and index finger. Whack it with quick and firm strokes. The seeds will dislodge from the membranes and fall into the bowl. See it here? Most of them came out. Then just pick through the rest with your fingers. It's just that easy. Add enough water to cover the seeds. Stir to wash. The bits of the membrane will flow to the surface. Skim those off with a strainer. Drain the seeds. We are now ready to juice them. The size and shape of the container are crucial. You have to use a narrow container so the seeds could not slip around, and also not too deep so the whisks can reach the bottom. Pour the seeds in the container. Place a plastic wrap around the mouth to minimize splatter. Here we go! The rapid rotation of the whisks attach in the mixture burst the seeds and release the juice. This takes 1 or 2 minutes in high speed. Filter and squeeze out the juice with a mass strainer. See how clear the drink is, and the foam is much less than blending. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.